What's up guys, Intellitech Studios here, and today we're going to be doing a super quick video on how to unbox and assemble the Bissell PowerForce bag model 1739. So if you have this machine, this is how to assemble it. You're going to need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. I prefer the ratcheting kind because I feel like those work better. And then you're also going to need some sort of apparatus to cut the box open. In my case, a knife. So we're going to cut open the box real quick, and one thing that's nice is that while you're transporting it, there are handles you can punch out on either side, which I honestly forgot until now. So that's a fun little fact. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. No dilly-dallying. I'm just going to show you how to take this out of the box and how to put it together. I'm not going to show anything else in this video. The full review will be in a separate later video. So this is only an unboxing and assembly tutorial. So if that's all you need, then hopefully this will make you happy. So we're just simply cutting the top of the box, opening it up, just like that. Now in here, we're gonna have some things. First off, we got your owner's manual, which of course we won't need because we have this video, at least not for assembly purposes. And then right up front, you've got your dusting brush. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to remove this top cardboard. And then, right here on the left side, we've got our hose, which we're going to take out. So there's our hose. We're going to set that aside. Let's see what else we've got in here. Yep, and then here's our main machine, which we've got the carrying handle right here. So we're going to grab this and pull it out. And there's our handle as well. So for the main machine, we're going to take the plastic off the front, and we're going to click this into the upright position. So you can see we're going to push it into the upright position, and it should click. There we go. Sometimes it might not click at first. For some reason mine's not wanting to click, but there we go. We'll push that in place for now. So that's weird. Normally it's supposed to click, but mine's not clicking. But anyways, and then finally here's our handle, and that should be everything. The crevice tool and the extension wand are already on the machine. So we can see right here we've got our crevice tool and our extension wand. Those nestle inside each other and go right there on the machine. So now, in order to put this together, we're going to pull out the handle, and I believe in the bag, yes, so in the bag or taped to the handle, there should be 2 screws. So there's 2 screws. We're going to take the handle with the Bissell logo facing towards the front. We're going to push it down, and we're going to use a screwdriver to secure the 2 screws vertically into the top of the handle. So we're going to take these 2 screws, and we're just going to put them in real quick. This is the most complicated part of the entire assembly, really, just putting in these 2 screws. Although some people end up not putting these in all the way, and then they end up not wanting to stay in and the handle's loose. So for me, a ratcheting screwdriver makes this a lot easier, because otherwise it's kind of difficult to turn the screw head when you're rubbing it against the handle. There we go, that one's in. And now the other one. There we go. Now the handle's in all the way. And that's the hardest part. Now the only thing really we have to do is install the hose. So we've got our hose. So this is the end that goes into the cleaner. We've got these notches right here, and we're going to line them up with the holes right here on this, and then just give it a slight quarter turn clockwise, and that'll lock it into place. Next, we're going to place the hose down into this pipe right here, because this is what attaches it to the floor. Just going to push that down until it touches that little groove, and then stretch the hose up and clip it into the upper hose clip. Now the last thing we have to do is take our dusting brush and snap it in right here. There we go. Now the machine is pretty much fully assembled. The only thing we have to do at this point is grab our cord and remove the cord protector, and then undo our free twist tie, this is assuming that you're not going to use it immediately and just going to immediately put it in your closet. We're going to get rid of that twist tie and wrap the cable around the upper and lower cord winders. Of course, like any new vacuum, the cord's going to be stiff at first and at a slight risk of getting tangled. So you're just going to kind of pull the cord so that way it untangles. Wrap it around just like that. And then secure the clip to the cable. Just like that. If it wants to go in. There we go. And now our Bissell fully assembled. That's it. So now you just learned how to assemble your new Bissell PowerForce upright vacuum. Now before you take it for a spin, you're of course going to want to check and see if there's a bag in it. Now I saw one review that said they tried to use a screwdriver to pop this off. That's not necessary. Just grab this pull tab and pull it forward, and it comes with a bag. Now, I recommend replacing this bag with HEPA bags. I'm actually going to link some Clean Fairy HEPA bags in the description. So I'm going to show you how to put one of those in real quick. This machine uses Bissell style 1 in 7 vacuum bags. So you want to make sure to put the right bags in. But again, I'll link the proper bags in the description. So to pull out the existing bag, we're just going to grab the collar and pull it off. I know, very, very simple. It actually comes with a great value bag in it, which is kind of strange. Normally these come with reused bags, but it doesn't matter. So I always run these with these Clean Fairy HEPA bags. HEPA bags are better because they're a synthetic material, they're less likely to rip, and they filter a lot better. Considering this machine doesn't have any proper post-motor filtration, having a HEPA bag will make this filter a lot better and way beyond its class. So we're just going to simply grab the collar, line up the hole right there, and push it on until it goes all the way to the back, and then tuck it in. Installing a bag in one of these is super simple. Then we're just going to take our bag door, line it up, and push it on until it clicks. And now we're ready to use our new PowerForce. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. There will be separate videos on both how to use this machine, which will also cover how to change the bag again, and I'll also do a full review on this. Again, I actually reviewed this machine about maybe 5 or 6 years ago, but I wanted to do an updated review now that I've done better quality reviews, and to reiterate the fact that it's still my #1 pick for budget vacuum. For $68, or not $68, $58, this is the best $60 vacuum you can get. And really, this is the best vacuum that you can get in under $100 if you want a machine. Bagged is always better than bagless, especially in these lower price tiers. And given how cheap the HEPA bags are, which again I'll link in the description, I don't really see an excuse for getting anything else. It's a lot lighter than the bagless version because of the fact that there isn't all the extra plastic from that. And that's precisely why I bought this. I bought this for my grandmother, who needs a lightweight vacuum, where even an Auric was too heavy for her. This thing being only a couple more pounds than an Auric, but being a lot more balanced and also having a hose on board is a no-brainer. So anyways, this is Intellitech Studios signing out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like, or you don't have to. It's up to you. But yeah, so if you were able to ditch this manual, then my job is complete. Anyways, this is Intellitech Studios signing out. Have a good one. Peace.